Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy or Amylouise. If you're new here, please do make sure to hit that subscribe button. I am here 3 times a week with beauty content for you. Today I'm doing a unboxing of a beauty box by Tammy mystery box. This one is a Charlotte Tilbury edition. I cannot remember how much I paid for this. I think it was £25. Want to say £25. I'll put it on the screen somewhere for you guys, but basically it says that you will get one full-size Charlotte Tilbury item. They've got a few different brands, and then you will also get a selection of other brands thrown in there too. They've got a few different brands that they're doing this with, and you can also buy just like whatever you want, like a normal shopping site too. They've got Colourpop on there, they've got all sorts on there. So I saw my friend Hannah Louise who did a, oh my god, what box was it? I can't remember. I literally watched this like 3 days ago. I watched her video. I will leave it in the description box below. She did one of these boxes and instantly I was like, I need to get one of those. So I did. I ordered it and now I've got this. I've never tried anything Charlotte Tilbury, which I know everyone's going to be like, oh my god, you've not tried Charlotte Tilbury. I've kind of not bought anything Charlotte Tilbury on principle, just because this is gonna sound so bad, but like the way she talks like on her adverts and stuff, it goes right through me. I cannot listen to that lady talk. It's the whole hi darling and all that. I cannot deal with it. I'm sorry, Charlotte. It's her brand and it's who she is. I just cannot deal with it. So that is the reason I've not bought anything, but I really do want to try it. Like, I know that she's got good products from like everybody that's ever used them. They love them, but I've kind of not bought them just on that whole thing. I'm sorry. So I'm going to unbox this. I am going to break all the sellotape. There is a lot on here. So I'm going to cut all that open and I'll be back. Okay then. So open it up. What is this? So this is the beauty box featuring Charlotte Tilbury. The box was £25. Shipping was £2.99. This is shipping 2 to 3 days. I think it came in 2. It was delivered by Hermes. So there's that. Nice paper. And then it comes like this. I like this colour. It's like Cadbury chocolate purple. So yeah, let's open this. Okay, so the first thing I've grabbed is the Super Dewy Perfecting Putty Primer by Revolution Hydrating Priming Balm. I've never tried this. I think I've heard good reviews. Who knows, honestly. Oh, I like that it's got, why does this satisfy me so much? I like the texture, I like the sound. I like, oh, okay, and then it's, oh, that feels nice. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna give this a go in a future video. Next we have Beauty Box by Tammy. I got a sweet. So it just says thank you for your order, enjoy, and then it's just like her business card. And then I got a sweet, which I'll give to my son. Next we have the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution Modern Matte Long Lasting Lipstick. So this is my one item. Nice packaging. What colour did we get? That is pretty. So it's in the shade Very Victoria. That, I've got swatches everywhere, I'm sorry. That is really pretty shade. I don't know if it's worth the money to spend so much on lipstick. I love my bougie makeup, but lipstick, I'm just kind of like, they're pretty much all the same, honestly. Like, you can get really good cheap lipsticks. Like, some of my favorites are like £1 from Primark. So yeah, there's that. And then I've got, what is this? BH Cosmetics translucent setting powder. I didn't even know they had a setting powder. So it's just a translucent setting powder with a puff. Yeah, okay. I've got nothing to say about that. I had no idea that the BH did setting powder. It's a little dusty, this one, but I don't have a problem with that. Yeah. Next I have, what is this? Ooh. Is this Morphe? Let's open this. I have a brush. It is, it's Morphe. A Morphe M515, sorry. Teeny tiny little, I don't even know if you're going to see this properly, tiny little detail brush. I am extremely happy with this. Everyone knows how much I love Morphe brushes. And I don't think I own this one. Morphe M515. This is going in my tub. I'm very happy with this. That is tiny. That is just going to be perfect for like little detail work. Yeah. And then I think this is the last product. This is Technic. It's hard to see. Technic Dewy Setting Spray. Okay. Oh. Oh. I don't know what that smells of, but it's nice. It's in my mouth. Doesn't smell as nice as it tastes. No, doesn't taste as nice as it smells. It smells nice. Dewy. Okay, cool. Is that? Yeah, and then there's all the shredded paper. I'm happy with that. I don't know how much Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks are worth. My other phone, my second phone, is dead at the minute, so I can't even check. I'll have a look. I'll put it on the screen somewhere. But I know that the primer is going to be a good like £5 to £8. This is probably going to be like £4. The powder, I don't know. See, I spent quite a lot on powder. On like my setting powder. Like my favourite is Huda, and that's like £30. BH, I don't know, maybe 10, 15 ish, right? I don't know. Let me think. Right, Makeup Revolution, theirs is like £5. So even if, like, let's say this is like £5 plus the primer, that's like 10. So like 15 there. Then I've got the Morphe brush, which is probably about 4 or 5. So yeah, that's like 20 plus the lipstick. I'm happy with that. Like £25, decent products. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I will leave a link to this box down below. I think I'm going to do another one of these maybe in a couple of weeks. Because she's got a few different ones. She had a Colourpop one. I really want to try some more Colourpop. I've not tried Colourpop in years. I had some of the Super Shock eyeshadows that were good as highlighters. I don't know if I've still got them. I got like 2 of those years and years and years ago. I think it was Manny, MUA, who used them as highlighter, and that is why I got them, but the shipping was extortionate. It's a lot better now, but it's still expensive to order from Colourpop. So I think I'm going to do that because she does have Colourpop on her website. So I think I might do like a little Colourpop haul. But yeah, I'm happy. £25 seems like a good deal to me. What do you think? Would you do this? Have you ordered from Beauty Box by Tammy before? And if you can find any other mystery boxes, like beauty mystery boxes, please link me them because I want them all. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.